Okay, here we go. I caught a flat in the middle of nowhere. It's a subdivision, but they ain't even finished with it. It's like 2 homes on here. Late night, look at that. I'm gonna show y'all. First thing I did, you put your jack, you know, you go find a part under your car. It's like a long metal that goes all the way down your car. The jack fits right into that. You know, you put the jack under there, and everybody's jack is gonna be different. You know, I got the old school one where you gotta wind it up and shit. You know, just look on YouTube on how to do that shit. I did it some, I might have to do it some more. I raised the car up, but before you raise the car up, you wanna loosen up your nuts. So you wanna loosen up your nuts before you raise your car up. So once you raise it up, you can just take them off with your fingers. And I put all of them right here, you know. So the car is kind of up in the air. I might have to raise up some more, but we don't know. We're about to see. But this is how you change the tire, man. In the middle of nowhere, when, you know, when you don't want to call roadside assistance, when you with your girl, your phone might be dead. Like, come on, man, you gotta change this shit. You don't want no other man coming and changing your tire for you in front of your girl. Nah, we ain't having that. We ain't having that. You know? Shout out to my uncle, man. He taught me this when I was like 23. You know? And it paid off. It paid off. So let's get it right, man. Let's put the spare tire on. Oh yeah, always keep a spare tire in your car. Always keep a spare tire. You know? We got one back here. Here we go. You know, so make sure your car has a spare tire. If you don't, buy one. You know, go to the junkyard, get one, or buy one. You know. But let's get it right. Now you want to take it off. Oh, she came right off. She came right off. Oh yeah, she done. She done. We're gonna need a new tire. We're gonna need a new tire, baby. They gonna resell that shit. So we're gonna put this bad boy on, and you gotta line. You gotta line your hose up. You gotta line these holes up, and you got some screws. You got some long screws in here, and you're gonna line them up, and you're gonna put this one on. So let's put this on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Might have to raise up a little bit. Might have to raise it up a little bit. Might have to raise it up a little bit. Then you see that? You put them all in the holes right here. You just push it on. You push on. Then you take all your nuts and you just hand screw them. Just hand screw them first. You hand screw them tight first, and then you use this. Oh. You know, tomorrow we're gonna get another tire. But tonight, we headed to the crib. But this is life, man. This is life. Tomorrow we get another tire. There we go. We call that a dummy. Okay, now where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where do we put you? Let me use this light. But I ain't got no dry spots. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Here we go. There we go. We grab this baby right here. And we twist her. First you want the hand, you know. Get them tight as you can with your hand. Get them tight as you can with your hand. And always remember, right, tight, left, loose. Going to the right, tight. Going to the left, loose. That's with mostly everything. That fucking ants bite me, but that's what happens, baby. Let's get it. Always set your emergency brakes on your car before you change the tire. Okay, we done? All right. Let's make sure they're all tight, you know, with your hand. Get on that bitch. There we go. All right. Then, you know, step on that bad boy. And you ain't gotta do it all the way because guess what? If it happened again, guess who gotta untake them? You. So just make sure, you know, you put enough pressure on them. There we go. Make sure there's enough pressure on all of them. Then you check all of them just to make sure. We good. And that's how you change the tire. And we'll go, hold on, let me wipe off my phone camera. It's so humid out here. We're gonna go through this again. I know y'all can barely see, but first off, you get your jack. You know, make sure your car got a jack, and everybody's jack is gonna be different. It's gonna be like a long metal piece in your car, under your car. And you want to put that jack in the center of that, you know. Then you want to raise it until this tire lifts up. But first, make sure you set your brakes. Always leave your emergency flashers on, you know. Turn your car off. And sometimes, you know, you can set your old tire under here if you have to go under your car and shit like that, but you usually don't have to. And with this tire over here, with a bad tire, before you lift it though, before you lift the car with the jack or anything, you want to make sure your nuts are loose. You know, so when you raise it up, you can just twist it with your finger and they come off. And you want to raise the car up, unloosen with your finger. Take this tire off. Take that bad boy off right there. You know, make sure you keep your nuts like all in a pile together. And you know, make sure you got a spare tire that fits your car, and you put that spare on. And you know, you make sure it's in those five where those five fucking screws are, and you put it on, and you put your nuts back on. You know, you put them back on, and you make sure they tight. You know, and you don't want them to like script, you know, like go over tightness. So just make sure they're tight where, you know, your resistance is good. You know, and guess what? Your tire is on, man. It's that simple, you know. So we gonna lower this shit. Let's lower this bad boy. Let's lower. Let's lower this bad boy. Let's lower it. Gotta watch your back, this motherfucker. Left is the loose, left is the lower. Remember, left, lower, right, raise, right, tight, left, loose. Always remember that. And guess what? We got our tire on, baby. We good. Now, make sure you put the jack, everything back. You know, make sure you got your tire right here. We're gonna put that in the trunk too, because we gotta turn. We don't wanna leave that bitch out here. Yeah, see, look, that thing done. We've been rolling, man. We've been rolling. We've been rolling. We'll put that bad boy in here. All right, y'all. Hopefully, you know, y'all can pay attention to this and y'all see this and y'all can do it. And, you know, until next time, until the next flat tire.